All right. Actually, it's good afternoon. It is March 23rd, 2021. It is Tuesday, and it is vlog 56. Just trucking along here. Yeah. Vlog 56. Wow. We're in the end, coming towards the end of March. And wow, this year is flying by pretty quick, I think. It's weird when you pay attention to what you're doing every day. It's kind of crazy. But let's do. I already tuned up this morning. I had to wake up early this morning because I had a uke lesson this morning. So I was already tuned up, but I'll do it again. Here we go. So nice. So nice. If you guys play ukulele, you guys should do that every morning. It's pretty nice. If you don't know it, I can teach it to you. But yeah, today is Tuesday. Yesterday, I had a stomach issue, and I was kind of resting. So yeah, it was good to rest. I think I was just tired. It's all good. But yeah, don't eat a chocolate bar before you go to bed, especially when you're lactose intolerant. I don't drink a lot of milk, or milk just destroys my stomach, but I still like it. I like ice cream and all that stuff, but I just have to be careful. A lot of chocolate. Oh yeah, I'll definitely do it. But yeah, my stomach wasn't working yesterday, but it got all better. Yeah, it was crazy. I think I already talked about it. I woke up at 4 yesterday with stomach pains, and that was all day. But in the afternoon, I did get better. I did do my vlog. I did my song when my stomach was hurt. But what did I do yesterday? The song I did yesterday was... Look, I already forget. See how we forget so fast? I have to look it up to make sure. And it was Sway Martin. So... And actually, today I'm going to do Three Little Birds. Nice, easy Tuesday. Just going to keep it easy. Three Little Birds is a good, easy song. So I'll probably do that one after this. Actually, I was writing song sheets. I'm just making sure. I'm trying to... Because my big thing about my 100-day is that I have to write the song sheets. And it's going to be good. Day 100, yesterday was day 50 yesterday? No way. 48, 50, yesterday was day, no, I'm so off right now. 47, 46, 47, 48, oh yeah, this was 50, I did one yesterday. 100 days of uke. Day 51, and this is 100 days of uke. I'm just writing in my book right now. I didn't write it. Of uke, day 50. This was Sway. What did I do on Sunday? Day, Monday, Tuesday, 51. Day 51 was, okay, yeah. Sunday with a little help from my friends. With a little help from my friends. Little help from my friends. I just want to write this down before I forget and make sure it's logged. Because we forget really fast. I'm getting a text. Let's see. Haha. Lucky. Nice. Let's see what the weather is like today. It's been like 60s lately. Kind of crazy. Hasn't hit the 70s, but it's been nice. It's been a nice weather. Today it's getting up to 64. Slightly breezy. My friend Mark just called me and he said Luke wanted to go fly a kite, so I think he's coming down here to fly a kite. I haven't flown a kite in a long time. That sounds like fun. Maybe we should go fly a kite. That's my question. When is the last time you flew a kite? That's awesome. I can't even think of it. Wow. It must have been a while back. Kaylee has like a mermaid kite. I don't know. I gotta look at. I think we have kites here, so I gotta go check it out. That's so funny. I want to go fly a kite. I haven't done it in a while. Like, it's been many years. Funny. But yeah, 63, breezy. Tomorrow, 70 and breezy. Ooh, we might. And then 59. How crazy is that? Look at that. 70, 59, and 61. Today's 64. Some weird weather. Weird weather. Early. It's a late winter, I guess. Puxatawny Phil saw a shadow, so it's like 8 more weeks of winter. I guess it's true. I guess it's so true. Let's look at some birthdays today. Bum bum. I think it's Abe Lagrimus's birthday today, I think. Let me see. Yeah, actually it's Donnie Lynn. Donnie Lynn, World Financial Buddy. But now he's a physical therapist, and he looks like he's doing well. He's on Facebook. We keep liking each other's stuff on Facebook, so it's pretty funny. Donnie, happy birthday, brother. I see you. You're doing good stuff. And then Abe Lagrimus Jr. Actually, I need to ask him if he'll get on my I'm gonna see if he wants to be in my interview. I'm gonna call him today and get him for the next interview, so be prepared for that. Abe Lagrimus Jr., fantastic ook player, jazzy, into jazz, does vibraphone, plays drums. He is a musician. He is really good. Abe, you're awesome. Glad you're my friend. Happy birthday, brother. You're awesome. But yeah, yesterday was just really. Yesterday, I'm trying to see. Oh yeah, Carrie went to dinner with Kaylee's boyfriend's mom. Crazy. And then I had the house to myself, so it was nice. I like having the house to myself. It's kind of nice. Quiet time. Nice quiet time. What I learned yesterday is that don't eat a chocolate bar before dinner if you're lactose intolerant. It's kind of a hard habit to break or thing to not do, because chocolate is good, and then sometimes you just gotta eat it, and it doesn't matter what time it is. And it was right before bed, so I paid for it. So awesome. And yesterday I did Sway by Dean Martin on my day 51. We're halfway past the halfway of the 100 days a week. And actually I just saw somebody on the 100 days are all, it's downhill from here, and I'm like, yeah, that's awesome. I feel the same way. That's cool. Today I already did I had a lesson today, and that was awesome. And it was with Kenneth and Esther, brand new to ukulele. I had one appointment before. Now they just want to do every 2 weeks. Today we got into songs, and actually it's really good. Yeah, they're digging it. It's super good. So I'll see them in the next couple weeks. And students that yeah, I love sharing music, and I love teaching students that want to learn, and they definitely want to learn. It's so cool. So that was that today. Came back. I didn't eat breakfast, but I came back and had like lunch, breakfast. That's been my thing lately. I don't know. I don't feel like eating in the morning, and usually by lunchtime, that's when I usually eat. My eating schedule is way off. So like, I usually have a snack around 4, and then I wait for dinner. That's been my eating schedule lately. It's been crazy, but I'm surviving, keeping my fit figure. Hey, we're at age 50, so I got to start watching that stuff, I guess. And I think I'm lucky because I had good genes. And thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. Still look young at age 50. It's pretty cool. But yeah, today I'm kind of just catching up on stuff today. I need to do a bunch of editing. I think, do I have a lesson today? I gotta see. I might have another lesson, but I think it might be next week. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's gonna be on the 30th. Okay, so I'll see you on the 30th. That's cool. Hadley, my other young one. And then I have a lesson tomorrow in the morning too. Or no, in the afternoon for handpan and Palos Verdes. That's going to be fun. But yeah, I'm just going to be working on what I need. Oh, I need to do the laundry and our dryer is broken. I got to find out about that. I got some stuff. So hard. First world problems. First world problems. But yeah, that's all I have for you today. It's Tuesday. And yeah, just plugging along. End of the March, man. I think it was a little bit of March Madness this month. Totally a little bit of March Madness. I'm trying to see if there's anything crazy yesterday that happened that I was thinking about. No, I don't think I was. I think I was just tired, so I wasn't thinking that much. So, but anyways, it is March 23rd, 2021. It is Tuesday. That's all I have for you guys today, or for me. And I need to get to work, and I know the rest of this week is going to be busy. So with that, I'm going to get to work. And like always, what chord do I want to use today? Oh yeah, G sharp minor. Oh, this chord is hard. Like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele. Oh, that one's hard. Yeah.